In this short video, I'm going to teach you how to show Wix website in search results. All you need to do is head over to the dashboard of the Wix website that you want to show in the search results. In my case, it's my site 10, as you can see in the top left corner here. From the dashboard, I want you to focus on the left-hand side of the screen where you find the side menu right here. I want you to hover over site and mobile app, then hover over website and SEO, and then click on SEO, and that will take you to your SEO settings. From here, scroll down until we get to the tools and settings kind of section, and you'll see SEO settings. Click on that, and then pay attention to set site preferences. Now, if your website is currently not indexed on Google, that means it's not going to show. So what we need to do is index the website. And to do that, all you have to do is simply enable this checkbox right here. As you can see, it says, let search engines index your website, and then keep this feature on for your site to appear in search results. You can read this, you can click this button to read more about it if you want to. But yeah, once you click this, your Wix website will basically be indexed by Google, which means that it's going to start showing in the search results. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to show Wix website in search results. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.